from the past.
Love, 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 love. All right, this is also part of the Charm School. Am I saying it right? Charm Collection?
Yeah. Well, I mean, we call the charms different things, but sure, go right ahead.
Okay.
We'll make it up, Pat.
Make it up what I don't know. All right, brand new today.
I do it every day.
One of my absolute favorites, and you gotta pick these up. These are so good. 3/4 sleeve top. New today, sale price will save you $5. The 4 easy pays that we're extending to you so you can use whatever credit cards you want. $12.99 will get this home. That goes away at the end of the day. Only order of the year, everything is here. Double extra small through 5X. That French blue, if there was another sister here, that would have been my sisters and I.
know, right?
You know, the fireworks when we were growing up, down on the football field, which were so loud, they were scary.
Maybe your other sister just went to get popcorn.
Oh, that's what, my older sister Deb probably didn't want to be
with the younger sisters.
Belong with
Yes, I understand.
She was over
I'm
there
number
with
3
her
out of
friends.
4. I understand.
But look at the charm, and that charm doesn't come off. Look how cute. And every time you bring us anything patriotic, they are so popular. Oh, now we're at the beach. This is called sand.
So sand, there we go.
Look.
From the Big Deal.
Perfect.
Cropped pants, yep.
Oh my gosh, that is so
Isn't that great? And look
pretty.
at the sun, accented with studs and stones. The hibiscus.
Look at the bathing suits.
The bathing suit with the polka dots. Jean loved polka dots, of course. And then that shell charm.
All right, one more. This is grass green, and you'll see this on Luann.
Oh, bonjour.
Very nice.
Bonjour, mes amis.
I love it.
Let's go have some tea.
Beautiful.
Read a little book.
Look, and you're even having little tea sandwiches or cupcakes or something. Really, really pretty.
So beautiful on that grass green. Are we calling that grass green? Does it say?
Yep.
Okay.
Grass green. All right.
Beautiful.
So this is cotton and a poly knit.
Yes.
So super comfy.
This is a style. This is a silhouette, I should say, that you have known and loved with that fabrication, with the round neckline, with the 3/4 length sleeves. But then what we do so differently is we give you that amazing detail. Each and every one is telling a story. You could get all 3 of these and somebody would not know that it's the same item number.
So if you got all 3, it would be $39 if you're using the Easy Pay. So 4 Easy Pays, 13 times 3 is $39. So for around $40, you could get one of each.
Oh, wow.
If you wanted to do
I
that.
love that.
You know what you do?
Tell me.
Maybe you're, okay, and then I promise I'll let you tell you what you're supposed to do. But it just reminded me, you being sisters, me, sisters, friends, maybe you guys are going on, you rent a beach house together. The girls' trip. How fun would this be that everybody had this shirt on?
Amazing. And then take a picture and then send it to me or post it on our Quacker Facebook page so we can see you. We do a feature every Monday, Model Monday.
Do you?
You know, like you guys see me all the time. I'm like, sometimes I'm sick of myself on social media, right?
We're never sick of you.
So we like to showcase our customers. We like to showcase our Quackers. So I'm always reaching out and saying, could we borrow this picture? Could we borrow this picture? So we do a Model Monday every Monday of one of our customers in one of our pieces, old or new, like, vintage.
Right, vintage.
Or new styles. But when we have a piece like this, I want to show you the inside so that you can see. Now there is a little hint of metallic thread in this. So if you're hypersensitive, you might want to wear something under this so it's not touching your skin. A little tank or something, right? But you get all of those colors, all of that detail, and the dangle. So Jean Bice, when she was with us and designing with the design team, one day said to Susan, the head of our design team, Susan, I need a dangle. Give me a dangle. So we continue to offer the dangles, whether it be in a keyhole neckline or whether it be off of the edge of some beautiful embroidered scene, because we continue to honor Jean's legacy and honor the things that she wanted. And to me, when I look at this, it looks fresh and new.
It's very sophisticated.
Even though we've been here 30 years, we're continuing to up our game, if you will, by adding these beautiful pieces that tell a story, Pat.
That's a good way to put it. These tell a story when you look at them.
Yeah.
Like right away when you looked at Luann's, I mean, you did your French accent, you were having croissants and tea and reading your book.
Macarons.
Right. Just beautiful, yes.
And you went to the beach
and I
with
went
your
to
sisters.
the beach, yeah, with my sisters.
And I went to the fireworks with my sisters.
Yeah. I mean, that's the cool thing about this. These run very true to size. And again, as you look at Luann, now Luann, you have the small on in that?
I have the extra small one.
Okay. The extra small.
So sometimes Luann can wear extra small on top, but just for those of you at home, we can't always get the samples in all the sizes that we need.
Okay.
So sometimes she might go up, blah, 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 but she could go with the extra small or the small. You know, if you go to this item on QVC.com, I always love to, you know, we do have the size charts on QVC that help get you started.
Yes.
But there's a little hot link under each description of each item that says, for garment measurements, click here. And those measurements are for that exact garment.
Exactly.
There's not a general. Right. So if you really need to hone in, you know, for whatever reason, you know your body better than we do, so you could hone in and see which size works best for you. You know, people write me, our lovely customer writes me, they're like, I'm 5'2" and I weigh 100 pounds. What size should I wear? I'm like, I don't know.
Right.
Like I haven't seen a picture of you. Right. That's not descriptive enough anymore. Like I need to see a body shape. What do you wear in other brands? Like there's a lot of questions involved.
If you wear Graver or you wear Denim & Company all the time, then this is the same size. Like in this, I would wear a medium because I'm larger on the top, so I always wear a medium. And it's semi-fit, so it's not going to drown you. It's not going to, you know, be too tight. This also is not going to be itchy, in the very least, so you don't have to worry about that. And again, if you're a little bit sensitive to the Lycra there, then you just wear, like I wear, I'm not to scare you, but I wear the, whose tank is this? Somebody's tank. Spanx tank. Underneath everything that I wear on the air, because we change so fast. I don't want to, you know, scare anyone, or myself for that matter. But the nice part about this is it runs very true to size. So whose birthday is coming up? Any other July babies out there like me?
Yeah. My sister.
Yeah. And Jean.
And Jean. That's
Jean
right.
was July 20th.
That's it. Yep.
Day after me. For the longest time, she thought we had the same birthday, and I never told her because I didn't want to hurt her feelings. So finally one day it came out.
I love that you're sharing, because you work with Jean so often. You know, please definitely share more. You know, we only have a few minutes left, but you know,
she's an amazing woman.
Amazing. She just knew how to make you laugh.
Yes.
And don't ever tell her anything before you go out on set. I made that mistake multiple times, and I would smack myself in the head and go, why did you say that to her before we went on air? Because then she would talk about it.
I'm holding sand. We're going to the beach. Here's grass green. We're in the garden.
Yes.
And then that French blue is patriotic. Get it now, because it's not going to be around when we get to July and August. And it's super, super comfortable. Well done. Turn it inside out, machine wash, and then just line dry. Now, Kalani has one of those beautiful print shirts that we shared with